Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error app not installed. This may be as a result of some issues I'm going to highlight in this video, but before we proceed, kindly support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. If your issue isn't yet fixed, let me know in the comment section below. So let's dive right in. The first fix, you will have to locate to your settings, scroll to app management, click on app settings or app list depending on your device. Then you will have to scroll until you find Google Play Services. Click on the app. Then select storage and cache. You will have to clear the cache. Now come back and also select Google Play Store. Click and select storage and cache. Also clear cache for this application. Then you will have to come back again. Select the three dots on the top right corner. You will have to select Show System. Then search Package Installer. You will also have to select Storage and Cache for this application. Then you will have to clear the cache. Now try installing your application. If the problem persists, we use the second method. You will now locate again your settings. Come to App Management. Select Special App Access. Then install a known application. Then you will have to select the browser you are using to install the application. For example, Chrome, Kiwi browser, maybe Telegram, WhatsApp, or maybe internal files, etc. Then you will have to allow from this source. Make sure to enable allow from this source and try installing again your application. If the error persists, usually this error is caused by insufficient device storage. And to troubleshoot the issue, you will have to locate your files. Come and delete unnecessary files, maybe like videos. You select some multiple of videos which maybe you've watched before or they are unnecessary. You delete. Come to audio, delete some audio maybe you don't require. Come to images, manage space by deleting photos maybe which are unnecessary for you. You will have to again check for duplicate files, delete and use the applications. You also have to clean or clear your trash. You also have to clear cache for big applications like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok by selecting the application, then app information, then storage and cache. You clear cache and again try to install your application. And this time hope your app was successfully installed. If this method worked for you, let me know in the comment sections below. See you and bye bye.